Hello, dear friends. This is Casey from Guangzhou QQ Company. In this video, I'd like to explain to you our newest model, the second generation anti-seiver zipper. Is different with the old traditional anti-seiver zipper. Please come to here. I'd like to share the details to you. You see, this is the first generation, or we say old model anti-seiver zipper. The zipper two side with the one layer monofilament chain. You see, two sides each one layer monofilament chain. But our newest model, our QQ pattern, one side with two double layer monofilament chain. So the strength is more strong than the old model, and this is more than 1,500 Newton. The testing many times, even more than 8,000 times, it's still running. So if you need such this high quality, new is the anti-seiver zipper for increasing your luggage value and make your luggage more strong, more anti-seiver. You are welcome to contact us.